the gathering procedure for your group. No? So dahil may mga group dito na iisa lang ang member, that is, the plan is yours, Joshua. No? The plan is yours, Joshua, kung paano nyo susulitin ang natitirang linggo for March. And I will check that before the end of our period. Sana masunod kasi hahanapin ko po yung plans ninyo with my sign at the day or on the day of your defense. Okay? Sa defense, hahanapin ko po yan. Any question? Walang question? Pwede maging mas detalyado, mas maganda. Okay? Huwag nyo nang lagyan ng member's name, just the group number. Okay? You have the rest of the period to do that. You may start.